Hey guys, it's Heather Lee with Pete and Pedro, and today I'm letting you in on 5 hairstyles that women love. First up is the Quiff. I love this because it's super versatile and low maintenance. To get this style, all you need is our salt spray, apply this to towel dry hair, then blow dry, then apply our putty and hand style to finish. Next up is the curtain style. This one is incredibly popular right now because it's masculine yet youthful. To get this look, again, you can use our salt spray on towel dry hair, and then you can use a comb for a cleaner look, or you can hand style it for a messier look, then just air dry to finish. Third is the slicked back look. This one is a classic that never goes out of style, and it pairs well with either faded or tapered sides. To style this one, you can use our pomade on towel dried hair, and then again, for a cleaner look, you can use a comb, or for a messier look, you can just use your hands and then air dry to finish. Now, if you want something incredibly low maintenance that still looks amazing, the messy style might be the one for you. This is best for guys who want texture and waves. Now to get this look, you're going to use our texture powder on completely dry hair and then just hand style to finish. And finally, we have the bro flow. This is a carefree yet relaxed look. It's a longer style with layers around your face to frame it nicely. Now to style this haircut, you will use our salt spray on towel dried hair. And again, if you want a cleaner look, you can comb it out, or if you want to leave it messy, just use your hands and let it air dry to finish. And that's a wrap, guys. If you want to try out any of the products I mentioned in this video, make sure to jump over to peteandpedro.com and grab what you need to bring your new look to life.